Determine the sum to n terms of the following series. Okay, let us begin. So here we have a series whose first term is 2 squared added to the next term, which is 4 squared, followed by the third term 6 squared and the fourth term 8 squared, and this continues all the way up to n number of terms. Now, in order to find out the sum of this series, we need to figure out what is the nth term of the series. So we'll suppose that let Tn, this Tn represents the nth term of the series. Now, how do we figure out the nth term of the series? That's a very simple task. From the first term, if we consider only 2 and drop the square, then from the second term we consider 4, from the third term we consider 6, then we consider 8. So we see that these terms 2, 4, 6, 8 are going to be in arithmetic progression. Now, if they're in arithmetic progression, we can easily define its nth term. The nth term is defined as a added to n minus 1 times the common difference t. So a here is the first term, which is 2. The 2 is getting added to n minus 1 times the common difference d. So 4 minus 2, that's equals to 2, which means that our nth term comes out to be 2n. So what we will do, we'll use this nth term 2n, and we're going to square this value. So this is going to give us the nth term of the series. We can verify that. So if we choose n equals to 1, then we get 2 squared. That gives us the first term. If we choose n equals to 2, we get 2 times 2, that's 4. 4 squared gives us the second term. So now we have the nth term of the series. This is given by 4n squared. Okay, now to find out the sum, finding out the sum of 2 squared plus 4 squared plus 6 squared all the way up to n terms, this is the same as taking the sum of the nth term of the series. So what we'll do, now in place of n, we're going to replace with a k, where k is an index that runs from 1 to n. Fine. Now what we'll do, we'll replace dk with 4n squared, but we'll replace the n value with k. So we get 4k squared, where k is going to go from 1 to n. Now 4 being a constant, we can pull it out of the summation sign. So we're 4 multiplied to summation k squared, and k runs from 1 to n. Now what is the value of k is summation k squared? There is a standard formula. So summation of k squared, where k runs from 1 to n. Now this is simply the summation of 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 3 squared all the way up to n squared. That means we have the sum of the squares of the first n natural numbers. And we know that this sum is given by n multiplied to n plus 1 times 2n plus 1 whole divided by 6. So that means we will now obtain, we have 4 multiplied to n plus 1 times 2n plus 1 whole divided by 6. So 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times 3, that's 6. And therefore, the final sum comes out to be 2n multiplied to n plus 1 times 2n plus 1 whole divided by 3. So this is going to be the sum of the series 2 squared plus 4 squared plus 6 squared all the way up to n terms.